Hi friends, today we're going to draw a fire-breathing chili. When you fold it, it's a surprise.
Look at that.
First, let's fold the paper in half. Unfold the paper and fold it again at the quarter mark. Just like that. Keep the paper folded and draw the chili. A quarter of the chili is above the folded line. Looks like a letter I. Let's add a smile beneath the folded line and its eyes above the folded line. Now unfold the paper. Connect the two lines on the left. Make sure to draw the mouth below the folded line so that it's hidden. You can draw as many teeth as you want. You can draw sharp teeth as well to make it scary. Alright, let's draw the flame. There's a lot of curves. It looks like a cloud. Have you ever tasted a hot red chili like this? I've never tasted something very spicy. If I do, I'll make a flame too.
Then you'll become a dragon.
We've done drawing our chili. Let's color it in. You don't have to use the same colors as we did. Mom told me some chilies are green and very spicy. Some chilies are even black and purple. Hooray! We're done! Let's surprise others. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us. See you next time. Bye!